When did you connect with Jada Kingdom? Did you connect with her early in Fifth Element, or this was later on?
All right. After leaving Fifth Element.
Erks. We're not ready yet. We're not ready.
All right.
Because no.
All right. Jada Kingdom was all right. It's like we live in Portmore, and there was a scheme called Bridgeview where we live. You understand? So one day I'm just pulling out my driveway, coming out, cleaning off the BMW, and I drive it out. I don't know them time that we into cars or anything there. So I drive it, you know. I'm see this girl out, you know, one nice army pants and nice, look nice and thing. I'm gonna pull up beside her and I say, yo, girl, I look nice here, man. And I say, yo, what's your name? You understand? And she said, my name is Jada. And I say, you look nice, where you going? And she said, she got the bus stop. And she said, you know how old I am? And I said, look like around 25 to me. And she said, no. She actually said, I'm 16. And I said, Lord, no, sir. I said, no, friend, you know. She said, me a singer, you know. She said, you know, like she said, you're a singer. I said, me hear something. The one song she sing. When she sing that one song there, I said, no. We have to carry us to the next day. And I said, where your mother there? And she said, I can't carry go meet my mother right now. I'm just carry, and she drive me go right to her yard and go meet her mother named Tanisha. I just go check her mother, and I said, Mommy is a star this year, you know. And then we just start record her. We record her up on a song named Believe, you know.
And that was more reggae at that time. It wasn't
it was just reggae, you know what I mean? So we just start bringing her up on most of the shows them now. So we did the song Believe and start get her some radio play, bring her downtown, start get her some stuff and them thing. And I say, yo, Jada, now worry yourself. You're gonna be the next biggest thing out of Jamaica. So sometimes she there at school and she call me and she say, yo, come for me at school. Yeah. So I say, all right, I'm gonna link the principal and tell the principal, say, yo, we have to carry her go studio, we just carry her go studio. You know what I mean? And just have her up on the road. And a history.
You seem to know how to see somebody and just meet them right away and know that there's something about them that they're going to be a big in the industry that they're going to be.
Even with Shereen. Shereen understand one of the toughest female artists out there when we did Coming Over Tonight. You know what I mean? That song went #1 in every country, even to the day. You know what I mean? So with Shereen, me and Shereen doing Coming Over Tonight, I could just tell that, yo, she's just a different guy. It wasn't even, really and truly, it wasn't Shereen supposed to do Coming Over, it was Elaine.
It was Elaine?
Yeah.
So, okay, let me even go even one step further than that. How come it wasn't probably even Jada that was supposed to do that song?
Because Coming Over was before Jada.
It was before her?
Yeah, it was before Jada. And I mean, then Jada come after. Because then people were saying that, yo, we want to hear another Coming Over, and the people always say, yo, they want something like Coming Over again. But Birch was just wanted to have this song as just a classic, a collective items, nothing more. You know what I mean? You never get nothing like this ever. You know what I mean? And the fans was just craving for, yo, we want to hear you back again with Shereen. And then we just never connect back to go into the studio because she got so busy. And every weekend I'm in a different country all over the world.
Because when you met her, she was an actor. Her acting was more. Yeah. She could sing because you've seen it in the movies. Yeah. But she wasn't a singer per se at that time. So what made you even connect with Shereen? Because you said it was supposed to be Elaine, but Shereen actually was the one that got it. What happened?
All right, when we did Gash Them and Light Them, you know what I mean? When I did that song, Gash Them and Light Them, for Shane Brown, that was Busy Signal, ex-manager. Jukebox. That song just blew up big, bam, all over the world. So, you know what I mean, #1 all over the entire world after we left Fifth Element now, because we know, you know.
Finish the story, but we still got to go back to it. But finish the story.
All right, so, you know, so after I did Gash Them and Light Them, that's when, you know, we burst stepped to me and said, yo, I'm on up on a rhythm. And play the rhythm. I met me hear the rhythm, and then I was just driving home one night, and the rain a fall. Because then them band Gash Them and Light Them, because we put out Gash Them and Light Them for Shane Brown, and then Broadcasting Corporation step in and say, yo, we want to ban this song. We don't want this song to play on the radio because this song is so violent. But I'm saying, we want to ban a song like this when it's defending little children, child abuse, you know what I mean, violence against women and children. You shouldn't even ban a song like this. Then I was so upset driving when I know they took it off the radio, and the rain a fall and I beat down upon the car. I play the rhythm and I say, oh baby, are you coming over tonight? I'm feeling so lonely. I want to hold you in my arms, girl. I'm a call Bird same time. I say, Bird, you like this? I'm singing to Birch. And man say, where there? Turn around now and come to the right now. Mm-hmm. And then him goes a boom now and him turn back on the studio and head back to Big Yard studio. You know, Shaggy and Big Yard and you know what I mean?
That's where it was recorded.
Yeah, I went back to Big Yard studio and him play the tracks and we record the song. When we record the song better, Birch drop into the studio. They must say, yo, this is one of the biggest songs ever. I'm say, sure. Man say, yo, I'm gonna put Alien on it.
Yeah.
So then we try to reach out to Alien. You know what I mean? But at the time, with the gash them and light them and all of that, and you know what I mean, the type of energy. I don't.
Many people weren't really.
Yeah, so I don't know if it was that. So
yeah,
you know what I mean. She's like, I'm Birch. I said, Birch, get Alien on it, and you know what I mean. I said, John, it never materialized. And then now Birch, I said, no worry, we have a perfect girl. Mm-hmm. So then I flew out now to a different country for the weekend, and then go do a show. And I came back. Birch called me and said, yo, come listen to the song. Because I wasn't even there when Sherry invited me. Just put on my part. Yeah. But I come back and Birch played to me. What?
So you didn't know what she was going to sing?
Nah. Oh, my darling, my dear. This moment we have to share. Yeah. Oh, baby, are you coming over tonight? I'm feeling so lonely. I want to hold you in my arms, girl. And when she come in, I say, yes, I'm coming. I said, no, son. I said, this is so crazy.
You knew that right away that this connected.
The biggest song in the world up to today's day. When you see a rapper like Cardi B take that song and playing it in her home loud and go live on Instagram live. Yeah. And when you look at her profile, 42 million people, my phone jam. My people are coming from all over the world and say, yo, Cardi B, I play a song on her live right now. Martinez from at 97 calling me, all these rappers calling me, people from all over the world calling me, say, yo, you know, and she's super hot at the time. Mm-hmm. And she said, yo, this is one of my favorite songs. I love this song ever. To my, you know, and she's hugging up her, what's his name on it? Her husband on it.
Offset, yep.
You know what I mean? So when we look back on it, you know what I mean? Every media calling me all over the world. So it's a special song, you know what I mean? So I'm always connected with the ladies that way too as well. So God just bless me differently when it comes to that. You know what I mean? So meeting up with like Jada, and we wanted to like create that type of bond with her for just put her out there. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. You know? So that was that total vibration was it was kind of that.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.